Stop starving, start munching. I'm about to show you some lit air fryer veggie snacks perfect for hostel life. First up, crispy air fryer paneer bites. Grab 200g paneer, cube it up. Toss in olive oil, chili powder, turmeric, garam masala, and salt. Preheat that baby to 180 degrees Celsius. Air fry those cubes for 10-12 minutes, shaking halfway. Squeeze some lemon juice if you're feeling zesty. Next, we got spicy air fryer potato wedges. Cut 2 medium potatoes into wedges. Coat them in olive oil, paprika, garlic powder, oregano, and salt. Crank the air fryer to 200 degrees Celsius. Fry those wedges for 15-20 minutes, shaking halfway. Serve with ketchup or your fave dip. Crunchy perfection. Lastly, air fryer veggie fritters. Mix 1 cup grated carrot and zucchini with chickpea flour, cumin seeds, chili powder, and salt. Add water to make a thick batter. Preheat the air fryer to 180 degrees Celsius. Drop spoonfuls of batter in and fry for 8-10 minutes. Serve with chutney or yogurt dip. Yummo! Enjoy your snacking and keep that air fryer sizzling.